If you're broke, you're lazy, you're bored, and you're a teenager. Hey guys, it's Saja here, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, I say this in every video. Anyways. Today's video is going to be all about how to make money as a teen fast using the internet. I mean, you don't got to be a teenager to do this, but I just want to say this is not like a scam or anything like that. I'm not sponsored by any of these apps, so let's just get started. First on, get a sugar daddy. Okay, I'm joking. Let me just say this. You gotta work a tiny bit to get some money at the end of the day, okay? Thank you. First off, Sweatcoin. I use this app. In total, I got $120 on Sweatcoin. Basically, it's an app that tracks your steps as you walk. And I know y'all might not do that much walking in quarantine right now, but anyways. But yeah, it tracks your steps and you can just make money. Once you convert it to coins, there's like different offers on the app. It's easier to get the money faster if you refer friends. So if you refer like 5 friends, you can get like $5 to your PayPal. So if you want to use my link, hop on the wave. It'll be in the description box. Next up, okay, this is what I've been doing a lot as of now. That's like my main source of income. Selling my clothes. I sell a bunch of my clothes on Mercari, Depop, Poshmark, all this type of apps. I really use Mercari the most because I found that's like the easiest one. If y'all want me to do a tutorial on how to like ship stuff and like all that type of stuff, I got you. Yeah, that's why I use it. Just sell some older clothes, whatever's lying around, like video games, old cameras, jewelry. You don't want to sell things that are all the way beat up because nobody's gonna want it. Just like things that I just don't use anymore. This is time to get ahead. If you want to make a business, start now and figure out what you need for it. Like what is a lip gloss business, a lashes business, a do-rag business, phone cases, all that type of stuff. Start doing your research right now. My little shop where I sell my clothes, I take that as my business personally. So you can make an Etsy shop as well. It's similar to Mercari, but I guess it's different. Yeah. Or you could donate your clothes to Plato's Closet. They're probably closed, but once they open back up, you just donate your clothes and they give you a certain amount of money back. Save them on Goodwill. I think you just donate your clothes there if you don't feel like shipping stuff out and making a whole business off of it, which I think would be smarter. But okay, next up, these apps are really good for like your parents, or if you're an older person and you do a lot of shopping, this is for you. Ebates and Ibotta. So basically this gives you coupons and cash back. Ibotta is the best to use when you do grocery shop. I know y'all going crazy at them grocery stores on quarantine, so I recommend downloading this app right now. You cash back if you just show your receipt and it scans the barcode. So I'll leave all the links to this in the description box. Some of these do help me out, so if you sign up, I get some too, but if you don't want to use mine, that's totally fine. Like next up is Google Opinion Rewards and surveys on the go. These apps, they're also apps by the way, to give you surveys. Google Opinion Rewards is a bit more like legit, but it takes a longer time to get surveys from them, which is why I use surveys on the go. I got like what, $20 in total from servers on the go, and I have $2 saved in Google Opinion Rewards because it takes a longer time, like I said, to get servers on Google. Probably the most it took me for a server is like 10 minutes, and I'm like, I'm doing nothing and I'm getting money, to be honest, so follow me. Next up is FuturePoint. This is an app for Androids and it's a website for iPhone. Basically, you download a bunch of apps and just use it for a certain amount of time, for a minute, and just keep it going, and then it just gives you coins, and you can use that coin to get gift cards and offers. I got what, $7 from here before. I don't have that much space, so I can't really do it as much, but if you have a lot of space on your phone, this is the perfect. YouTube, you can make money on YouTube if you didn't know. Obviously, YouTube is a bit, people think YouTube is easy. It's not. It's an effort, but you're not gonna get money right away. It's gonna take time. Try to make good videos, actual good content. For me, YouTube is just a little hobby. It's not like a job or anything, but if I do get money in exchange for hours of editing, I might as well. I mean, this is just little things to do on the side. First off, you can tutor people. Probably don't do that right now because, you know, quarantine stuff, but there is websites where you can like tutor people online. So my tutor, or you could just give lessons or whatever you're good at, art, whatever else people are good at. If your family drinks a lot of water bottles, save them water bottles, recycle, save the world, and make money at that. And then take it to a recycling center and then you get 5 cents for each bottle. It adds up if you do it like every month. So yeah, like I was saying, the water bottles can add up over time. $1 maybe. I don't know. Okay, next we can babysit kids or house sit or pet sit. Like I said, I don't recommend doing that right now because of quarantine stuff. Photographer, hit people up, take their photos. People love to get their photos done. You want our Instagram to look about. Can't relate. After you're done watching this video, you do all the tips because you'll be making. Okay, let me shut up. Sell stuff at school, sell candy, cookies, brownies, stuff like that. A garage sale, lemonade stand, do makeup. Ew, my fingers all bent. Like, ew. I cannot put my fingers straight for now. Sell your artwork online as well, similar to selling clothes. But yeah, so that's it for all these little tips and stuff that I do, or stuff that you can do to make some money. If you put your mind to it, you grind, you can really get started on about yourself. So it's good to start now with whatever creative stuff you want to do. Especially if you're planning on starting a business, do that now because that will look extra good on college applications. Use the internet to your advantage. It's a free way to get rich. Y'all asleep. Like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on all of my social media. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment something. I need some more engagement. Y'all doing me dirty. But yeah, that's it. Bye. I keep saying bye and I'm not ending the video. Bye.